Hi, this is Dr. Jacob Calcei. I'm a sports medicine orthopedic surgeon here in Cleveland, Ohio at University Hospitals, Case Western Reserve University. Come spend the day with me. We'll start our day off bright and early with a little workout downstairs in the home gym and then off to the operating room to start our clinical day.
First stop of the day is to sign in our first patient before we go see one of our Browns free agent physicals. Now on our way into our sports medicine facility to do one of our free agent physicals. As NFL team physicians, one of our duties is to see the players that are brought in for workouts and make sure that they're safe to play and go through any of their injuries and injury history.
So our clinical day consists of 4 cases in the operating room in the morning, followed by an afternoon of patients in the office. Then we'll head over to the Browns facility to see a few players prior to this weekend's game, and then off to a high school football game in the evening. We just finished with our busy morning, now headed to afternoon clinic before we head over to the Browns facility to see some players and then off to a high school football game. We just finished up with our afternoon clinic. We saw about 25 patients this afternoon after our 4 surgeries in the morning. My team consisting of my 2 athletic trainers, Rachel and Valerie, my PA Gabrielle, and my secretary Marquita, all wrapping up for the week. Heading home for the weekend. I'm about to go over to the facility to see a few players and then off to a high school football game. One of the nice things about the way that our office is set up is that our PT space is 1 floor below where we see patients in the clinic. So when I'm seeing patients upstairs, I can pop down if any of my patients are down here rehabbing to check on them and see their progress. We're now at the Browns facility for one of our last stops of the day. We finished with the OR and clinic, and now we're going to see a few Browns players for pregame checks for this weekend, and then on to a high school football game. Finished up with the day, now on the sidelines of a high school football game. One of my favorite things to do on a Friday night. Our chairman, Dr. Voos, always talks about practicing sports medicine with your feet in the grass. Not only does it make things more fun, but it also fosters a really good relationship with your athletes and with the community. Here we are on the sidelines on a Friday night in the pouring rain, still having a great time. Thanks for spending the day with me, learning a little bit about the life of a sports medicine orthopedic surgeon at the beginning of football season, running around between the operating room, clinic, and then getting onto the field. Have a great weekend.